Hello, welcome to Ludic Science. In a series of previous videos, I show you how to make this Stirling engine. But we still need to know how to make the flywheel. The flywheel is an essential part of every Stirling engine, and it is needed because the engine does not produce power in the entire cycle. So during the part of the cycle when we have no power, the inertia of the flywheel makes it to continue to rotate. So let's see how to make it. This video is sponsored by GLC PCB. GLC PCB is a company that makes excellent quality PCBs at an unbeatable price. You can order boards online in minutes. After registration, upload your Gerber files, select the PCB properties, select the payment method, and place your order. Best price and quality for all your PCB needs. The flywheel will be made of epoxy putty. This material is relatively cheap, easy to work with, and it's heavy, so our flywheel will have enough inertia. For the mold, I will use a PVC pipe. Obviously, the internal diameter of the pipe will be the diameter of the flywheel. This, for example, is of 4 inches. And the width of the cut that you make will be the approximate width of the flywheel. Put the mold on a flat surface like a piece of glass or acrylic. But before you mix the epoxy and put it on the mold, you need to apply some oil to the base and to the inside of the mold. This is necessary to prevent the epoxy from sticking to the surfaces and make easy to unmold the flywheel. Now let's wait about an hour before attempting to unmold. Okay, it seems to be hard enough. Well, of course, the bottom side, which was in contact with the plexiglass, is very flat, but the other side needs to be sanded. Okay, after sanding we have two flat surfaces and now we have to drill a hole in the center for the axis. However, it is important that this side that was in contact with the acrylic be at the base of the drill and drill from here, because we are sure that this is at 90 degrees with the border, and this other that we sanded, we are not completely sure that is parallel to the other surface. Now, in a piece of paper, mark a point and with the help of the compass, draw a circumference of the same diameter as the flywheel. Let's now drill the hole. For the axis of the flywheel, I will use a bicycle spoke which is 2 millimeters in diameter. So I will use a drill bit a little bit larger of 2.1 millimeters. Okay, so we now can put the axis, which is the bicycle spoke, and I also made a slot here so that we can secure the axis by putting more epoxy here. And before applying paint, we can sand it with a fine grade sandpaper so we have a better finish. Okay, after fixing the axis and painting, the flywheel is finished. And ready to install in our engine. Okay, as you could see, making the flywheel is not difficult, but requires some time. That's all for today. Thanks for visiting my channel and see you in the next video.